Today we'll talk about how can you update your neighborhood on your Nextdoor app. So you just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. So all you have to do in the first, you just go above your photo profile, click on it here. Then it's going to show for you a list like this. You just click here on my profile. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Click here on edit profile. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Just scrolling down here until you will find your neighborhood. Click on update neighborhood here. So then it's going to take you to next step here. So then here can you update here your neighborhood or street address, add it here in your Nextdoor app. You click here on continue, then it's going to add with you. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.